Let's talk pizzas. You've got so many different kinds, but what I want to show you today is the Lebanese pizza. It's the manouche or the Manakish, however you pronounce it. It's delicious. Today I'm going to show you some variations using some beautiful deli meats by Fettayleh Foods. We've got a bit of salami, some smoked turkey, some mortadella and chicken roll that we're going to use. I'm just going to marry it all together with different ingredients. I'm even going to show you how to make your pizza dough from scratch with 2 ingredients. That's it, done. Ready in a jiffy, delicious, fantastic for suhoor, and sure to please the whole family. Now let's start with the dough. This recipe, I didn't make this up. This has been around for ages, but you know what? It's my go-to recipe when I want something super quick and don't want to have to wait for it. So I've got here some self-raising flour that I'm gonna put on my board, and I'm going to knead it all on my board. It's yogurt and flour. I've got self-raising flour, and all I'm going to do is add a pinch of salt to that. And then I'm just going to start to work the yogurt into the dough and knead it together. What I want to do is activate the glutens in the flour, and that's what's going to give us our beautiful, stretchy dough. Now what I like to do, I'm going to add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Okay guys, now we'll leave it there to rest so everything relaxes while we clean down a little bit and then come back to put our beautiful pizzas together. Our dough has been resting for about 10 minutes or so. It's getting nice and soft. We've got 4 different deli meats, so I'm going to do 4 pizzas. A little bit of olive oil on my pan, and then all I'm going to do is press my dough down and tease it out. Now with a manouche or a Lebanese pizza, we don't have sauce with it on the base, so it's really just, you know, you either use za'atar, or if you're doing cheese and a few different other things, it's really just the toppings. So that's what I'm going to do. I've got a cheese mix here. There's about 4 different cheeses in there. And all I'm going to do is put just a little bit at the base. And that's to help glue our toppings together. Might go with the smoked turkey and just, you know what, slice it. We've got a little bit of capsicum just on the top there. Might add some sliced onions as well. A few mushrooms maybe. Top it up with cheese. And that can go straight into the oven. Let's go with our pepperoni next. So a little bit of cheese at the base again. Several slices of pepperoni. I am gonna add some onion to this one. I'm also gonna add some spinach. We want the cheese on top, and for a little bit of a difference and nuttiness, I'm going with some pine nuts, just on the top there. Straight in to our oven as well. Okay, so for this one, let's go a little bit different. We're going against the grain. We've got a bit of cream cheese. Just going to spread that. Beef mortadella. I'm not cutting this, I'm just gonna leave that whole and put that all around, because yum. I reckon tomatoes, just sliced tomatoes all around. I'll grab one of these. What I'm going to do when it comes out is add some fresh mint to that. But let's check on our other 2. Now our other one, is nearly ready, but I'm going to quickly slice this one up. This is our pepperoni. Slice her up as well. Chili sauce, straight on the base. Okay, chicken roll, straight on there as well, not cutting it, and avocado, but I am also going to add some onions. And what I'm showcasing for you guys here, this brings me such joy when I cut through an avocado and it comes out perfect like this. Just half an avo will be fine. We want a little pinch of salt for this. When this comes out, I'm gonna top it up with some fresh rocket, but we're keeping it like that, and then we're adding the cheese on top. All right, taking the last one out. Yum, yum. There you have it, 4 pizzas, 4 different pizzas at that, using smoked turkey, beef mortadella, chicken roll, and pepperoni, all from Fettayleh Foods. So delicious, easy to prepare. Guys, you gotta try it. Yum. Look at that cheese pool. Yum. So at this point, carefully take it off the knife and eat it.